Welcome to Scott Cars. Today we have the 2007 Chevy Avalanche 1500 LTZ. It has a current mileage of 18,203. It has a 4-speed automatic transmission with a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 flex fuel engine. Its color is a Victory Red. You can see right here that the handles have chrome detailing along with your side mirrors. As you come to the back, you see here that it's an easy lift gate. And within a standard pickup, it's an ample room for storage, especially since it's an LTZ. You see right now we have the cover on the back. That's only because of the weather currently, but that can be taken off. And you can see more chrome on the front grille here. So as you come to the interior, you see it's a jet black color on the side, along with some wood paneling on the doors. And you can see it's leather seating. The LTZ is blessed with plenty of room for your back passengers, whereas some pickups really lack that kind of space. You get plenty in the Avalanche LTZ. Additionally, you have your partitioner here that can be used as a cup holder and more room for storage. And there are seven speakers lining the interior of this vehicle. Here you see the odometer and the current mileage. And you have your radio. As your standard AM and FM radio with a CD and MP3 hookup, this car also has satellite capabilities. Here's your climate controls. Each can be specifically monitored for your driver and your passenger. Changes the comfort setting that you like. Here's your drink holder area. Push this button here, opens up. Push that button there, opens up as well. Additionally, with the Avalanche, you have your sunroof here as well. That can be moved using those controls right there. It's an all-wheel drive vehicle. It's a clean Carfax report, has been locally traded, and has had only one previous owner. Gets about 20 miles to the gallon. Once again, this is 2007 Chevy Avalanche 1500 LTZ, and this is Scott Cars.